Good morning, students. We are doing exercise 14.3. We have already done 3 questions from this exercise, students. Today we will solve next questions of this exercise, that is question number 4th and question number 5th. So students, this is question number 4th of exercise 14.3, and in this question divide as directed. First part of this question is 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So we have to divide this first part by this second part. So we have to write this 5 into 2x plus 1 in one bracket and this 3x plus 5 in another bracket, and denominator be 2x plus 1, means we have to divide this 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 by 2x plus 1. And student, in the next part this one will be 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So this one 2x plus 1 and here 2x plus 1, and there is a sign of multiplication, students. So we have to divide this 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. So remaining part will be 5 into 3x plus 5. This one is the answer, student. And this is the third part of question number 4th, and in this first part, that is 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R into R plus P. So we have to write it like this, student: 52 PQR into P plus Q in one bracket, Q plus R in another bracket, and into R plus P, and this one divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R into R plus P. And student, here P plus Q plus R into R plus P, and denominator is Q plus R into R plus P. So we have to divide this Q plus R by this Q plus R, because there is sign of multiplication in all terms. So this one R plus P and this one R plus P. So this R plus P is divisible by this. So it will be 52 PQR into P plus Q, and denominator be 104 PQ. So again this one PQ divided by this PQ, and 52 2 ja 104. So student, this one 104 is a multiple of 52. So 52 2 ja 104. So we can divide it directly, and it will be 1 by 2 R into P plus Q. This one will be answer, student. R is remain here, and this one P plus Q is remain. So this one R into P plus Q, 1 by 2 into R into P plus Q. This is answer, student. Now we have to do next part of this question. This is fourth part of question number 4, student, and in this one 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 into y plus 4. So, we have to write this 20 y plus 4, this one y square into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 into y plus 4. So, in the next step, this one will be 20 y plus 4 y square plus 5y plus 3 and this one 5 into y plus 4. So, student, there is sign of multiplication, that is 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 and this one 5 into y plus 4. So, y plus 4, this y plus 4 will be divisible by this y plus 4 because it is numerator and it is denominator. So, this one is divisible by this y plus 4. Now, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 4 ja 20. So, numerator, that is 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3, denominator is 1, student. So, this one will be answer 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3. This is the remain after dividing these two parts. So, this one is the answer of this part. Now, this is the fifth part of the question number 4, student, and in this we have to write this x plus 1, x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1. So, this one numerator x and this one denominator x, it is divisible. Students, in all terms there is a sign of multiplication, that is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 and this denominator is x into x plus 1. So, x is divided by this x and x plus 1 is also divided by this x plus 1. So, remaining part of this will be x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is answer of fifth part of this question, student. This is question number 5th, student, and in this we have to factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. So, first of all we have to factorize the first part of this expression, after that we have to divide it. So, first of all we have to write this like this, student, y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Now, this is numerator and we observe that there are 3 terms, student, y square plus 7y plus 10. So, this is a trinomial. Students, we have already solved this type of trinomial in exercise 14.2, question number 5. Now, this one is trinomial and we have to find the product of first and last term, that is y square into 10, it will be 10y square. And now we have to observe this middle term and we have to split this middle term such that the product of these two terms must be equal to the product of first and last term, and addition or subtraction of these two terms must be equal to this middle term. So this one is 7y student, this one 7y. So we have to split this 7y in two parts such that the product of these two parts must be equal to 10y square. So we have taken here 2 plus 5, that is 7 student. 2 5 are 10 and this y into y square. Clear student? So we will take here y square plus this one 2 plus 5 into y plus 10. This is the numerator, that is y square plus 7y plus 10. We have taken two parts, that is 2 plus 5, that is 7, divided by y plus 5. This one will be y square plus multiply this y with 2, that will be 2y plus 5y. This one 2y plus 5y, that is 7y students, plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So students, we have split this middle term in two parts such that 2y plus 5y. So if we multiply this, 2 5 are 10, y into y, that will be 10y square, that is equal to the product of first and last term, that is 10y square. And if we add these two terms, it will be 7y. So there is no change student, and we have made these three parts, three terms into four terms. Now we have to take common in both pairs. So this one is the first pair, this one is the second pair, and in first pair we have to take y as common. Y is common. Here y is 2 times, so y will be remain here, and in this second term y will be cancelled by y and only 2 will be remain, plus 2. And in this part students, we have to take 5 as common because 10 is multiple of 5. So we have to take 5 as common. 5 into this one, if we have taken 5 as common, y will be remain here, plus this one will be 5 2 are 10, 2, and after that we have to write the denominator, that is y plus 5. And in the next step we have to take common in whole expression this. There are two terms, first term and this one second term, and in these two terms there is y plus 2 common, y plus 2 common, and y will be remain in the next bracket, y plus 5 will be remain, and divided by y plus 5. So this one y plus 5 and y plus 5 will be cancelled because this one is numerator and this is denominator. So it will be divided with each other. Only y plus 2 will be remain, and this one is the answer student. Now we have to solve this third part of the question student. This is same type of questions student. So we have to write this like this: 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. So in the first step student, we have to take 5 as common because 5, 25 and 20. 25 and 20 are the multiples of 5, so we have to take 5 as common. After taking 5 as common, it will be p square minus 5, 5 are 25, it will be 5p, and plus 5, 4 are 20, here it will be 4, and denominator will be as same, p minus 1. And in the next step, we will solve this trinomial, student. This one is trinomial again. This one is p square minus 5p plus 4. Student, the middle term is minus 5 and product of first and last term is 4p square. This one is 4p square and middle term is 5p. So, we have to take two negative numbers such that the sum of two negative number is negative and the product of two negative number will be positive. So, we have to take here two negative numbers. So, 5p, it means student, that is minus 5p, minus 5p is equal to minus p minus 4p. Student, this one is minus 1p, minus p into plus minus 4p, that will be minus 5p. So, in the next step we have to write this like this, 5 and this one p square minus, we have taken minus as common, and this one 1 plus 4 into p plus 4. After that, we have to write the denominator, that is p minus 1. In the next step, student, we have to multiply this negative sign with this bracket and this p will be also multiplied by these numbers. So, 5 into this one p square minus 1p or minus p we can write, student. This one 1p, p into 1, that is 1p, and this one minus, so we can write it minus p. We need not to write 1 here. Then it will be minus into plus, it will be minus 4p. Minus 4p and minus p, it will be minus 5p, student, plus 4, and denominator will be, that is p minus 1. Now, we have to make pairs, p square minus p, and this one 4p plus minus 4p plus 4. So, this one will be 5 into, in this we have to take p as common, student, because we have make pair here, this one p square minus p. So, p is at least one time present in both, so we have to take p as common, p. This one will be p, and this one, if we divide this p by p, it will be minus 1, and minus 4, we have taken here minus 4 as common. So, in this first part p will be remain, and in second part minus 4 and this one plus 4, if we multiply this plus minus, it will be minus. So, this one 4 divided by 4, 1, student, and denominator is, that is p minus 1. Now, in this part we have to take common, which is in the bracket, student. So, in this expression we have p minus 1 as common. So, this one 5 into p minus 1, we have taken p minus 1 as common. So, p minus 4 will be remain in the next bracket, that is p minus 4, and divided by this one p minus 1, p minus 1. Now, this one p minus 1 and this is numerator and this one is denominator, so it will be cancelled, only 5, this one into p minus 4 will be remain. and this one is the answer. This is fifth part of the question number 5th student, and in this 5pq into p square minus q square divided by 2p into p plus q. So student, in this part there is p square minus q square. So in this place we have to use identity. So first of all we have to write this 5pq into p square minus q square, this one divided by 2p into p plus q. In this part student, we have to use identity, that is a square minus b square, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket into a minus b in another bracket. We have to use this identity in place of p square minus q square. So this one p plus q in one bracket, and in another bracket it will be p minus q divided by 2p and this one p plus q. So p plus q will be cancelled by p plus q, and this p cancelled by this p. So 5q into p minus q by 2 will be remain student. We can write it 5 by 2 into q p minus q. So this one is answer of this part of question. So in this part of this question student, in the first part we have to use identity, that is a square minus b square, and after using identity this numerator and denominator will be cancelled with each other, and this p is cancelled with this p, and 5 that is q and p minus q will be remain. 5q p minus q will be remain in numerator and denominator will be 2. So we can write it 5 by 2q into p minus q. And in this part student, part 7th of question number 5th, there is 39y cube 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. So student, we have to make this part in such that a square minus b square form. स्टूडेंट, हमको इस मिडिल पार्ट को ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, जिससे कि ये इससे डिवाइड हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट दिस 39y क्यूब इंटू 50y स्क्वायर माइनस 98 डिवाइडेड बाई 36 y square into 5y plus 7. Now in this next step students, we have to take common here, that is 39y cube into, after taking 2 as common, student we have taken 2 as common because in 50 and 98 2 is common. So take 2 as common. After taking 2 as common, there will be 25, because 25 2 is 50, y square minus this one 98. After dividing 98 by 2, then it will be minus 49, and the denominator will be 26 y square into 5y plus 7. Student, we can reduce this here y cube and this one y square, and there is sign of multiplication. So we can reduce this y cube by y square, it will be y only, because it is 3 times here and it is 2 times. And this 39 and 26 student, these are the multiple of 13. So 13 3 ja 39 and 13 2 ja 26, and this 2 cancelled by this 2. So, and in this part student, 3y and this one 25y square minus 49 divided by, and here only 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 will be remain. Now in the next part student, we have to write it in the form of a square minus b square, that is 25y square minus 49. So in next part we can write it 3y this one, and this one 25y square we can write it 5y whole square. 5y into 5y, that will be 25y square student, minus this one 7 whole square, because this one is 49 student, and denominator will be 5y plus 7, and this part here it will be student 3y a square minus b square. Student, we have to use here the identity, this one a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So in place of a there is 5y and in place of b there is 7. So this one will be 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 in one bracket, and 5y minus 7 in another bracket, and divided by 5y plus 7. So student, there is a sign of multiplication in between all terms. So we can reduce this 5y plus 7 by this 5y plus 7, and remaining part will be 3y into 5y minus 7, and it will be answer student. There is one more part of question number 5th student, that is part 4th. In this 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. We have to divide this first part by the second part. So students, in this first of all we have to write this 4yz and into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. In the next step students, we have to solve this trinomial. This one is trinomial student, and in this part we find that z square plus 6z minus 16. So student, this one is minus 16, and multiplication of first term and last term will be minus 16 z square. And we have to split this middle term such that the product of two terms will be equal to the product of first and last term, and addition or subtraction of those terms must be equal to 6z. So student, there is negative number, that is minus 16. So we have to find one positive number and one negative number, so that the product will be negative. So in the next step, that will be 4yz into this one z square plus, in bracket there is 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, that is 6 student. 8 is positive, 2 is negative here. And this one z. 8 minus 2, it means 6z student here. Minus 16. Now, it will be divided by 2y z plus 8. And in the next step, we have to write it 4yz, and this one we have to multiply this z with 8 and also with minus 2. So, this one will be z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16, and denominator will be, it will be 2y and z plus 8. Now, we have to make pair in these two terms. This one pair and this one second pair. Now, we have to divide this 2y and 2 2s are 4. Student, this one will be 2 because we have reduced this 4y by 2y, y will be cancelled by y and 2 2s are 4. Now, we have 2z, and this one we have to take z as common because there is z square and there is 8z student. In these two terms we have z is as common. So, we have to take z as common. So, z, and after taking z as common in bracket there is z square. So, only z will be remain here, and here in second term 8 will be remain. Now, we have to take minus 2 as common because 16 is a multiple of 2 student. So, this one minus 2, so minus 2 is common here, and this one only z will be remain here, and this one minus into minus it will be plus, and 2 8 ja 16. Now, we have to write the denominator, that is z plus 8, and we can write it student like this, that is 2z, and after taking z plus 8 as common in whole expression, in this whole expression z plus 8 is common student. So, we have taken z plus 8 as common, this one z plus 8, and in the next bracket this z minus 2 will be remain, z minus 2 after taking z plus 8 as common, and this one z plus 8. Now, we have to divide this z plus 8 by this z plus 8, and 2z into z minus 2 will be remain, and this is the answer of fourth part of the question, fifth student.